Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring GKC CLI is installed and your SSH key is added to the GKC account. This gives secure access. Next, open a terminal in the project folder and export GKC env equals dev so commands target the right environment. Run GKC login once to cache credentials, then GKC init to create the local config. This writes your workspace file and default profile. Once done, verify with GKC status. It confirms connectivity and shows now you execute tasks. Use GKC run followed by the task name to start a job. This triggers the remote runner and returns a job ID. To monitor progress, run GKC logs follow since 1H which streams real-time output. It helps you catch errors early. If you need different credentials or targets, switch profiles with GKC profile set name, then confirm with GKC profile list. Make sure to pass flags like memory or timeout when a task requires more resources. To finish, check GKC status jobs to confirm jobs reach completion and inspect exit codes. This tells you success versus failure. Then run GKC cleanup older than 7D to remove stale artifacts and free storage. If something fails, first rerun with increased timeout or memory and tail logs to see the root cause. Network blips often look like hanging connections. Finally, if authentication errors persist, rerun GKC login and verify your SSH key is present on the GKC dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.